Joto na Hambai, haino hai norni bagai ang Madhav Deburma kaisa career counseling session tubi phaikya Agartala o 27 December Monday ni salo 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time location angkha Press Club Agartala Tripura ang ajaga in person kaisa counseling session khainai education job tai entrepreneurship niti. In this session I will cover education, both higher education in India as well as outside India, skill training, job, apprenticeship, and entrepreneurship as a self-employment person in career tamkai sanamiman aboni sakati ang kok sanai. Again, timing angkha 27 December 2021 on Isalo at 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time, location Agartala Press Club. Ajago ang in person, physically in person tongai norno kaisa career counseling session khainai. Any questions regarding higher education, both in India as well as in foreign countries, jobs niti, competitive exams, apprenticeship, skill training for all types of um, jobs as well as all types of career options. Jotoni bagina obo class 10 porija, class 9 porija ni semester khayai postgraduate level, PhD level khainai noro jotoni attend khaimano kok sanai ang ajagao engineering stream niti tai non engineering je branches tongnai from the film and television, legal, tai nini MBA, banking, finance, marketing, human resources management, supply chain, information technology, and various other things actually angajago cover khainai. The most important ke angajago kok sanai entrepreneurship niti norjo saimano fresh graduate phano norok kebujuri entrepreneur na musungkha, or if you already have experience working in a particular field, let's say norok kaisa engineering field or norok tabuk job khaitongo. So if you want to start your own business in the engineering field, how you can get started as an entrepreneur? Abani tamo process tong different types of companies, private limited company, limited liability partnership company, different entities, business bhage khaine aboniti, business setup bhage khaine aboniti ba ang kok sanai. So entrepreneurship is very important actually for us to grow economically in our state, as well as if you want to pursue your career as an entrepreneur outside the state, you can do that also. So again, this counseling session is tomorrow 27 December 2021 at 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time, location Press Club Agartala. Ang main speaker tongnai ajaga Madhav Deburma ang alone ang conduct khaine o session no norne kuno question tongke norne kuno clarification tongke I'm all there for you, and I'll be there in person, physically in person ang tongnai o jaga session no o jaga o je session na conduct khaigya abo khai Hazelson LLP Chini Agartala Tripura ni kaisa company, and I'm the president of that company Hazelson LLP. So this particular session is conducted by the Hazelson LLP company, and we are going to talk about the education, especially the higher education, both in India as well as outside India, different types of scholarships available, what are the exams, both the exams to the Indian Yapharo education khaine, what are the different job opportunities, both here in India as well as outside India, what kind of skill training, what kind of entrepreneurship programs are available for different types of professions that you want to choose in your life, as well as I will talk about the entrepreneurship, self-employment iti ajago kok sanai. Again, location ke Agartala Press Club, Tripura, dating 27 December 2021, time ke at 1 p.m. Indian Standard Time, that is tomorrow. Please attend Khaji. Please share this video with other people and share this good news with other people. And I am all there waiting for you for this free counseling session There is no entry fee required for this. This is all totally free. So I'll be there waiting for you, and good luck.